Hi, I'm Brett, and I'll be your personal trainer. Today, we're going to focus on recovery using the foam roller. This is the recovery workout for your calves. What we want to do is make sure our hands are behind us, facing the wall. We're going to have one leg on here and cross our ankle over that leg. We can vary up the intensity by either lifting our butt off the ground to roll, also doubles as a nice little tricep exercise, or if that's too much for you, you can have your butt on the ground and just sliding back and forth like so. Let's make sure to rotate so we're hitting all parts of the calf. We're going to start down by the heel here and work our way up. Make sure to breathe nice, deep breaths. As a recovery, it shouldn't be too much work for you. If you feel good, you can move that up more towards the knee, but don't go behind the knee. Good. Let's switch to the other leg. Same thing. Let's cross over. Start rolling down towards the heel. You're ready, you can move that up. Again, making sure not to go behind the knee. All right, great work. We're going to start our recovery for our hamstrings now. So what we want to remember here is our hands are going to be planted behind us, fingers pointed towards the back wall. This leg, foot's going to be planted on the ground, and we're going to be nice straight leg through the rolling hamstring here. Here we go. So we're going to start down by the knee, making sure to rotate. Get all three larger muscles that comprise the hamstring. Can be rolling our butt on the ground for this, or for further intensity, we can press up, put more pressure into the foam roller. Good, let's move that up a little bit. And let's switch it over. Starting down by the knee again. Hands planted, feet planted, let's go. A lot of people have lower back pain, and that can be attributed to poor hamstring mobility. So foam rolling like this is hugely beneficial in that respect as well. Good, let's move that up. Doing great. And good. Those hamstrings should be feeling nice and loose at this point. Excellent work. Now we're going to go on to recovery of our lats. So we want the foam roller here, right around the armpit. We're going to be sliding our body up and down the floor here. You can have your hand on your midsection to brace your abs. We're going to go in about 3 inches up and down here to start, and then we're going to move it further down the rib cage. Here we go. We call them lats. The actual name is latissimus dorsi, which is much more fun to say than lats. Keep that in mind. Rotate a little bit. Make sure we're breathing. Let's move that down towards the insertion point of the ribs here. And let's switch to the other side. should feel really good after you've done pull-ups or rows or anything along those lines. Actually just feels good regardless. A lot of people have tightness in their lats. See, I'm rotating my arm here a little bit. Let's move it down. Nice deep breaths. And good. Lats should be feeling fantastic at this point. Excellent work again. Now we're gonna do some recovery for our quadriceps. All right, so we're gonna set up. We're gonna have our outside leg here on the outside of the foam roller. We're gonna put the foam roller down towards our right leg, our straight leg, down by the knee. Be in a nice plankish position with our forearms on the ground. Start rolling. Four major muscles that comprise the quad. So again, let's make sure to rotate so we're hitting all of that. Again, we're going across fiber. Break up those adhesions. When we're recovering here, we are looking to make sure that we stay on any pain points for a little bit longer. A foam roller can be used as a warm-up tool as well, in which case we're looking for quicker and less static motion when we're on there. Excellent. Same thing on the other side. Start down by the knee. Here we go. Rotate a little, get the different parts of the quad. Quad meaning four, so there are four muscles that make up the quadricep. Let's hit them all. All right. Excellent job with your quads. Let's start our recovery for our upper back. We're actually going to start at mid-back and roll our way up. Mid-back being our thoracic spine. A lot of people get tight through there. So we're going to put this as such and have our feet planted. And we want to make sure that our hands are behind our head, elbows in, so we expose the muscle in between the scapula. The scapula are those wings of yours on your back here. Here we go. Not gonna need that chiropractor with how this cracks your back. Have your butt off the ground for a little bit more intensity, butt on the ground sliding, a little less intensity. And good. Excellent work. That's something that you could do all day if you want. For a complete workout, replay this video twice and then check out the next workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.